Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my car. It is extremely messy. As you can tell, I do have two kids and we're always on the go in the car, back and forth to work, daycare, school, so the trash can collect very easily and I really needed to clean it. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how I'm going to do that today. First thing I like to start off with is the trash. I throw a lot of my receipts in that little compartment right there, and I just like to get all the trash out of the way, and then I can focus on the things that are in my car that don't need to get thrown away, that I need to find a home for, like socks and headbands and a wallet that I found underneath my driver's seat.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya.
So I wanted to quickly let you guys know that I'm just taking like a Lysol cleaner and wiping down all of the doors. In the clip before this, I showed you guys what I was using, but I wasn't recording. So I just wanted to let you know that it's just like a regular Lysol cleaner. We've been sick the past couple of weeks, so I wanted to use something that was going to get rid of any lingering germs in the car, because we all know using the door handles every single day with runny noses and stuff like that can just collect a lot of germs, and that's kind of disgusting. So I wanted to try to get rid of it as best as I could. It's probably not the best for my actual car, but oh well.
Girl, you're making it so hot. Girl, you're making it so hot. Boy, you know you're making it so hot, so hot, so hot.
I took my car to the car wash to use the free vacuums and then wash it at the end, and I ended up moving my son's car seat and finding a lot of crumbs and some weird stain that I had to like scrub to get out, which was kind of disgusting.
I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Baby, gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire.
So here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
Mama, it's dirty.
It's not dirty, I just cleaned it.
Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya.